Hey y'all, welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you're all having a wonderful day. If you are new, welcome. My name is Nikki and I do all kinds of fun and different unboxings. We do a little bit of everything from subscription boxes to product reviews, product hauls. We certainly do advent calendars this time of year, so if you enjoy subscription boxes and that type of content, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We'd love to have you join our YouTube family. Y'all, don't forget we do have an active giveaway going on. It will be linked down below in the description. It is for the Glamour Jewelry Box. It does end on December 10th, but I'm so excited because, like I said, advent calendars, and I have two for you today. I have two family and budget friendly, as you saw, advent calendars. So I have a Godiva advent calendar. Who doesn't love chocolate, right? Like, really? And then I have the Mandalorian, or Baby Yoda, as I like to say, sock advent calendar. So these will go to my son. Most of this probably will go to him or me, depending. But like I said, these are family friendly and they're definitely budget friendly. This was $9.99 and this was $14.99. So both less than $15. I think that that is a fantastic deal. And when it comes to advent calendars, definitely budget friendly because there are some that are way on up there. So let's go ahead and dive in. We're going to get started. We'll start with the Godiva. This is the 12 Days of Godiva. So we'll just go ahead and we'll jump in right here with number 1. And this is Milk Caramel Lion. So it's a chocolate caramel. And number 2. Masterpieces Chef something. I am not sure what that is. I'm guessing maybe it's mint because of the green, but I'm not sure. But it's chocolate, so. Number 3. This is a milk hazelnut oyster. And number 4. Another milk caramel lion. Number 5. This is a dark ganache heart. These I know I will love. And number 6. This is another of the milk hazelnut oyster. Number 7. This is another one of the, I think like I said, that they're mint. Yes, mint medallion, dark chocolate mint medallion. All right, number 8 is another of the same. Number 9 is another chocolate caramel lion. Number 10, the hazelnut oyster. Number 11, is the dark chocolate ganache. And number 12 is the dark chocolate ganache. I was thinking there's 4 different kinds, 3 of each. So there it is. So yeah, so we have the dark chocolate ganache heart, the milk chocolate lion of Belgium. Says it's filled with smooth caramel. The dark chocolate mint medallion, it's a smooth mint filling. And then the milk chocolate hazelnut oyster is creamy hazelnut praline filling. So that is definitely fun and definitely something that everyone in the family will enjoy. So yay for our first advent calendar of the video. And for the second, like I said, we have the Mandalorian, or like I said, Baby Yoda. He's so cute. This is a sock advent calendar. So these will all go to my son because I did I ordered the boys. So this was $14.99. So again, very budget friendly. So let's just start with number 1. Oh, they make this is going to fall all to pieces. All right, so this is the first pair. How cute. They're like crew cut, like ankle socks. And they go in order. I don't know that I'm going to be able to do this to where, to where you guys can see, because it's like wanting to tear up. And let's see. It's another crew cut pair. Kind of has the design more on the front. They're very soft. And then number 3 is actually bigger. Oh, these look longer. They are. And then they have Baby Yoda. I know his name technically I think is the Child, but I'm going to call him Baby Yoda. I'm liking that there's a variety of types of socks. So number 4 is big again. So I wonder if, I think when they're big like that, that means they're going to be taller. Wait for me. He says, wait for me. All right, number 5. Is more of like, the ankle, protect, attack, snack. That's cute. All right. And there's 15 of these, if I did not say. And number 6 is, oh, it's like a sleepy Baby Yoda. So cute. But yes, I really do like that there are different styles of socks and a good variety of colors. And number 7. Say the Child here across the back, and they have him floating in his little like car seat bubble that floats. All right, number 8. Just has literally little, I may steal this pair. This is so cute. And their ankle, where some are the crew, some are the taller socks, then the ankle. We're gonna put these to the side for Mama. All right, and number 9. This Baby Yoda again. And this says, what do they say? Gimme, gimme, gimme. He's reaching for gimme, gimme. That's so cute. All right, number 10. Here we have it, these. Number 11. These just have big old Baby Yoda. Like they're completely Baby Yoda. cute. Number 12. This is Baby Yoda. Num 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 num. Oh, so cute. All right. And number 13 is Naps and Snacks. That's what it says. Naps and Snacks. And he's taking a nap. And number 14 says like a stormtrooper or the Mandalorian or whatever they're called. I can never remember. All right, and then our final pair for number 15. Oh, they have the Z's like he's sleeping in his little bubble thing. So cute. So again, I love that there was a variety of like crew socks, ankle socks, and then like the taller socks. And the colors. I mean, even though they kind of stuck with like the blues and greens and grays and white, they still, it's a good variety of colors and just different designs. But yeah, the black pair with the Baby Yoda head I'm getting. So he'll get 14 new pairs of socks. So those are our two family and budget friendly advent calendars. So we had the sock advent calendar and the Godiva, 12 Days of Godiva advent calendar. Let me know what you thought. Did you pick up either or anything similar to either of these types of advent calendars over the beauty and skincare advent calendars? Let me know. I love hearing from you guys. And what did you think of these? Let me know. So thank you so much to my channel members for your support of our channel. I do greatly appreciate it. And I appreciate every single one of you who take the time to watch our videos or my videos and be a part of our channel. It means so much. I love y'all. I hope you have a great day and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.